Hello everyone, another update on this main control board. So the customer, I just called the customer, and the customer complaint is that the temperature in the fresh food and the freezer is intermittent. So I'm going to do some more digging, but it looks like, if you can see here, P3 connection. Actually there is two thermistors that connected. One thermistor is for the fresh food and one for the freezer. So I told the customer that I'm gonna find the relays that controls the compressor, which is right here. I didn't check yet the trace line to trace the relays that actually operates the compressor, but I told him when he gets the board from me, I recommend him to replace those two thermistors for the fresh food and freezer, because there might be no problems with this board, because I tested every single relay and it tested good, and I also tested, I applied power for each one of them and they also tested good. So the thermistors are just on a P3 connection right there, and sometimes when you have a problem with the thermistors, the temperature will fluctuate in the fresh food and the freezer, and that's what the customer is facing. He told me on the phone that actually he have sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. So for me, the first thing what I would do, it's replacing this. But as I mentioned before, I will replace the relays that controls the compressor, and it looks like I'm gonna do some research right now, but it looks like the compressor is connected to the inverter and they are connected on the P7, which is right here, and the connection is, as you can see, there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and same like here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Actually you have more, 12 connections here, so that's interesting. But okay, so if we're gonna go from here, which is this one, let's say this is the same connector number 1 and here is number 1 2, the compressor is connected between number 3, which is here. So this is the connection for the compressor, and on the other side it's connected between number 8. So between here and here, this is, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so those legs, this is your compressor legs. So this is what the diagram says. Now where those connections are going, we're going to find out and see. So I'm going to do a continuity test, and I will see where those legs are going to each relay. So from here, where's the first relay? Let's find out. Maybe just that the relay. Yeah. Okay. So it's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. There's another relay here. It's a little tricky to this guy, third. It's these two. Nothing here. Does these guys? No, 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 nothing here. My goal is to find out the actual relays that control the compressor and swap those ones. I doubt that this is the right schematic, because I can see P7 connection has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 legs, and here we only have 10 legs. So okay, just a quick update. I found the issue, and looks like this relay right here. So by the diagram it says between leg 3 and 8 we get the inverter and the compressor, and right here I checked the other diagram and it says between leg 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So between leg, basically the opposite leg, that's the relay. So that controls. So what I did, I put one leg here, continuity test, and I wanted to find out this relay, and this is the relay on one leg, and then on the other leg is this right here. One sec. Why is it not beeping now? Not sure. Let's see. That's this relay right there. One and oh, sorry. That's those two. So one relay will control the compressor and one relay will control the inverter. Well, they basically between number 3 and number 8, which those two. So I want to replace those two and probably those 3, just to be on the safe side. So basically these relays I will replace, and I also recommended the customer to replace those 2 thermistors on this side. I also told them that the resistance should be about 8.76 ohms. 8.76 kilo ohms in the resistors at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. As I mentioned before, the resistor should be about 8.76 kilo ohms. So those two relays, they are controlling the compressor and the inverter, and those ones need to be changed. But I like to replace bunch of relays that sits around them, just to be on the safe side. Those two relays are controlling the P10 connection, which is P10. I don't have the P10 on this board. It's slightly different controller, but it connects something like a small maybe a light or alright. So I just placed an order, and my battery on the glasses are dying, so I just want to give a quick recap to explain what I found here. So between pin 1, so they counted from here, so this is number 1. Let me just take a tool so you can see better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so first diagram showing me that between number 3 and number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is where the compressor and the inverter connected. The diagram that more likely the one that I have the board for, it's on leg number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So between here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So between leg and 4 and number 10. And those two legs, those two relays are connected. So K6 relay and K3 relay. So this relay is connected, just want to make it quick. So this relay right here connected to this side, to the left side of the inverter, you see, with the red wire. Again, I don't have the wires, so I'm just going by the connections here. And the other one is with the red and white wire from the other side of the inverter on leg number 8. But in my case, it's leg number 10. So when I did the continuity test from those two relays are the ones who giving me a test beep sound. So I will replace those 3 relays and those 2, and it should fix the issue. And I also recommended the customer to swap the thermistors on a fresh food and freezer section. That way we are all covered. So I did my job here, and he's gonna do his job with the temperature fluctuation, and that should be all taken care of. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.